Hi, my name is Urmston. I'm an intern here at GENI and the WRSC. I'm here working on renewable energy in Latin America, and specifically I'm trying to see what are the prospects for growth in renewable energy in Latin America within the next 10-15 years. Resource potential, the wind potential, the solar potential is very different from country to country. Mexico has a lot of high solar potential, but so do other countries, and it's just there's a lot of variety. Targets for renewable energy, so how much of the electrical capacity in the country will be renewable by this year. So say for instance Chile is aiming to have 10% renewable electricity by 2024, which is not exactly really ambitious, but it's very identifiable. And a lot of the countries in the world have these kinds of targets. Some of these targets are what are called renewable portfolio standards. So it means that by a certain year or by a certain situation, at a certain time, a country is required to have a certain level of renewable. Regardless, that's one common policy. It's an important policy that you can compare a lot of Latin American countries on. The other big renewable promoting policy that counts and is very common is tax exemptions, whether it's and the big one really is value-added tax. Value-added tax is a very common tax. It's everywhere. So what I'm doing is I'm collecting, going through all of the archives of all of these different governments' publication on laws, decrees, resolutions, trying to identify what policies are in place and how strong are they, what are they like, and what I'm trying to do is build this table so that you can very clearly see and compare all of the policies that are out there. If this table's online, it'll make it really easy to see what the policy situation is in each country, at least with regard to these policies, which are key common policies.